Welcome back to the channel, you guys. Today I'm going to be adding a third tail brake light to my Nissan Kicks. So these are the original third tail brake lights. Nothing wrong with them. I want a little bit more style, so they're more different. So I got these. They do light up when I hit the brakes, and I'm going to show you how to connect them. So these are the tools you're going to need: some type of wire pliers, strippers, 10mm, the clips, tape, and a screwdriver, and of course your part. Get started. Tail light, gonna be doing the passenger. Started the driver, 10mm. Okay, you can see these are the clips are angled that way, so you gotta like push it this way to take it off. Removing the lights. So after removing my tail light, I had to put the camera down. If you guys are worried about how these go back in there, go and pause the video, but also they only go in one way. As you can see, there are different shapes and sizes. Now it has a 4-key, 3-key, and the small one also has. So I'm gonna get the big one. Big one. You guys can see in the new tail light and the new tail third brake light, let's call it, has the same matching colors. So I'm gonna get a little bit more cable of this. You guys can see I got more wire out of the lube. So now there's many ways you could do this, you know, to cut these open. Get from right over here, from over here. I'm gonna get it close to right here. Before we get to that, I'm gonna have to pass the wire. Alright, you guys can see this is the third reflector. There's a screwdriver, there's a screw to it, Phillips screw. Get it best you can. This is coming out. You can save these up. And there you go. That's simple. And I got it. Put the new one. Now, if you have like a long wire or rod, you have to feed the wire through. Okay, so when installing these clips, the cut you make sure that metal clip like gets it. You might get the wire or you might get the protector on it. So a lot of people don't like using these because they don't know. But you know, we're not in a rush, so we're good. Okay, so the only thing I don't like about this kit is that it's hold on it but clip. This one has a screw that's put pressure so somebody could come from the back and take it, but the price that these are, I don't think that will happen. So they remove my tape. Also, I am missing a screw down here. I bought this car used, so just to let you know there are two. and there you go. They are on. Both of them, but I'll show you at nighttime. If you guys have any questions, please, let me know in the comment section. If you like the video, give it a like, and remember to subscribe. And thank you for watching.